Prairie Birthday Farm started in 1995. We moved here in 1993. I wanted to make sure to feed the family nutrient-dense, uncontaminated food. So we started out growing food for us, and then as plants started producing more and the farm regenerated into better soil health, I started cold calls to chefs in Kansas City. At one point I was selling to 25 restaurants downtown. So for me, the AgriSolar array is also about food security. It's about relearning how to help plants grow to produce our food. Because I wanted the shade to grow under, not just to produce energy, but to produce food. We've designed it with 10 inches between bifacial panels. I get light and rain through the panel. The panels above the delicate plants actually prevent the damage from rain bumps, and also does protect them from some of the high winds. So it's very functional from that perspective. It's quite pleasant. We actually like looking at it. When the heat is the worst, we're producing the most energy. The panels produce all the energy we need during the peak of the heat during the day, which is very exciting. I'm trying to offset my energy use and my carbon footprint. And it's teaching me about my energy use and energy waste. I like empowering individuals, and I think it helps empower us because once they're installed, you're saving money.